I'm giving you a 15-day plan, and if you follow it, you can make the greatest comeback of your life. Take this test, the test of total victory. Give yourself a chance to see what amazing progress actually feels like. Step 1. Set a 15-day goal. Create one powerful goal for the next 15 days. A goal you must achieve no matter what. Why 15 days? Because 15 days are enough when you show up every single day. Write down your goal. Break it into daily tasks. Keep it simple. Make, learn, study. Then stick that goal on your wall. So when you wake up, it's the first thing you see, pushing you, challenging you. Step 2. Purpose. There are hundreds of pleasures around you. Entertainment, distractions, time wasters. They pull you away from your path. Real change starts when you stop running from failure and start living with purpose. Choose a purpose that secures your future and gives you a powerful feeling inside. Step 3. Mind over body. Small physical goals. If you've never worked out, I'm not asking for something big. Just do 50 push-ups and 20 squats. Not in one go. Split into sets however you can. The goal is simply to feel your body improving, to feel that small spark of happiness that pushes you forward. Step 4. Mind over body. Self-control. We always talk about self-control. Don't waste time. Don't scroll endlessly. Don't fall into bad habits. But the real test of self-control is your food. For 15 days, no processed food, full control over what you eat. This is real discipline. This is real mind over body. Just 15 days, and you can write the greatest story of your life. And finally, if this video helps you, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hidden Potential. Your comeback starts now.